Hey, what's up you guys? Got my 2000 Silverado behind me and we're gonna get rid of some rust today the cheap way. So I've got rust on the rocker panels here and on the rear wheel arch. And this is the really bad side. Oh yeah, that's nasty. So I got these from the auto wrecker. 30 bucks for this set. And then I got these rocker panel covers off of Amazon. And those are about 55 bucks or so. So 80 bucks and I'm gonna have a truck that doesn't look all rusty. Now it's not the proper way to do it by any means, but it's a work truck. And with this damage right here, that's all it's ever going to be. It's not really worth fixing it up further than that. So, alright, I'm going to get started. Yep, I washed it off the best I could. This door here doesn't actually open more than that because the corner's all caved in. But I should have enough room I can slip the new panel under there. So go ahead and try that and I'll be back in just a second. And just like that. Not too bad. It's held in with the 3M adhesive that comes with it. The bottoms were so rusted out, I don't know if it's gonna hold up over time or not, but I'll be well past when I own it. So, all right, now I gotta get to the back here. First, gotta take off the mud flaps. I don't know if I can use those on the fender flares or not. Probably not, but yeah, try to put those on now. Oh, this turned out really nice. Holes didn't quite line up. These actually came off of a Suburban, but pretty dang close. Just a little bit off right there. That's as high up as I could get that. I had to drill a couple holes and drill some more holes onto the fender flare for the mud flaps to go on, but that truck looks a heck of a lot better now. All rusted out. Got this one on. Turned out pretty dang good. And that's how you polish a turd. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.